Hello and welcome to my channel Aftab Soomro. As you know that we are learning the HTML, you can say the web designing course, in which we have covered up to CSS elements. In today's video we will discuss about the HTML links. Now the question is, what is HTML link? Links are found in nearly all web pages. Links allow users to click their way from one page to page, from one website to another website. As you can see, this is a simple website about the web design. What is web design? You can see here so many hyperlinks. You can see here the hint for the hyperlink is that link or that word or that line would be underlined, and the color of the link would be another as you can see, the bluish or red. It depends upon the developer of that website what color it he or she tags or assigns it. Okay, this is the link. As I clicked on this, we have been forwarded or moved to another page or the section of this website, or we can also move to the another website except this website. So this is the link. HTML links or hyperlinks. HTML links are called hyperlinks. It means we can say HTML links to hyperlinks too. You can click on a link and jump to another document. When you move the mouse over a link, the mouse arrow will turn into a little hand. I am showing you how it turns into a hand. Now you can see this is an arrow. As we will move on this link, the mouse pointer will be converted in a hand. You can see this is the hand. HTML link sentence. Now we will see what is the sentence. The HTML A tag means anchor tag, defines a hyperlink. It has the following sentence. A href means hyperreference URL. This is the uniform resource locator. This would be the address of that page or website. And link text, this would be the text on which we will click on, and after that finally we will close our anchor tag. The most important attribute of the A element is the href. This is the most important. Href means hyperreference attribute, means where we want to move our website or cursor, or where we want to move or where we want to go. This is the href attribute, which indicates the link's destination or target, we can say. The link text is the part that will be visible to the readers. Clicking on the link text will send the reader to the specified URL address. Now you can see here that a anchor tag href https www.w3schools.com. Now on the visit w3schools.com, it will be forwarded on the W3Schools website. You can see here this is the program. Now as we will click on this link, we have been moved to the w3schools.com website. By default, links will appear as follows in all browsers. An unvisited link is underlined and blue. You can see here this has been visited, that's why it has changed the color of the link. I am showing you as a fresh link. Now you can see here this is the blue color. this is not also the blue color. Let me to show you another. You can see here the it seems blue, or as I showed you here, the blue color. A visited link is underlined and purple. After the visiting, that will be the link visited, the underlined and purple color. This is showing the purple color. An active link is underlined and red. When the link would be active, that would be the red. You can see here I have clicked and have not released the mouse button. This has become the red colored link. That is called the an active link is underlined and that is red. Tip: links can of course be styled with CSS to get another look. As I told you before that we can give it any color which we want. We can give the link color according to our wish. HTML links, the target attributes. By default, the linked page will be displayed in the current browser. As you know, that was the first link here. This will show our page in this own browser, and in this hyperlink we have given here an attribute, another attribute. Except this href, target is underscore blank. It will open our website on the blank page. You can see here it has opened another window to show the website. Okay, the target attribute can have one of the following values. It means these 4 attributes can be used. The self opens the document in the same window or tab as you saw some moments ago. Blank means in the new window. Parent opens the document in the parent frame, as you know here. Top opens document in the full body of the window. Absolute URLs versus relative URLs. Now we will see the difference in between absolute and relative URLs. Both examples above are using absolute URL. A full web address in the href attribute. A local link, a link to a page within the same website, is specified with a relative URL without the HTTPS or www part. Suppose we are opening a website, any website. We have to give the HTTPS or www and these things. These are absolute URLs. And secondly, the relative URLs are those files which are saved in our same directory. For that purpose, we will just write down that file and the extension. This is the extension type ASP, means active server pages extension or file. If the file is currently located in the same folder where our this file is also present, for that purpose we just have to type the file name only. If the file which we are targeting is present on another folder, so we have to give that folder's name. This default.asp file is located in the CSS folder. For that purpose we have to target first of all the CSS folder and then default.asp. So these are the relative URLs types. Okay, HTML links, use an image as a link. We can also make a link on image. For that purpose, first of all we will give a hyperreference and the file location, and in between the opening and closing anchor tag we will give the image name, image alternative text, its style. After that As we will click on that image, our required file would be opened. Now let's see how to open any link by the image. We will click here. Now you can see here an emoji, which is smiling emoji. You are looking, this is the file smiley.gif. As we will click on it, we will be able to locate our default.asp file. Link to an email address. We will also link to email addresses. Use mail to inside the href. We will give the property of this attribute in which we will target the word mail to, and after that the email address of the target where we want to send this email. This mail to word is very important to sending any email. After that, this word on which we will click our mouse pointer, as we will be located or we will be able to send the email. Okay, see here the example, send email. So this is the example of sending an email. As we have clicked on the send email, how would you want to open this? It's asking from us. Keep using this app. We will press the OK button. So it's trying to send an email. Link titles. The title attribute specifies extra information about an element. Now we will see what is the extra information. This is also the same extra information about the element. The information is most often shown as a tooltip. Now you can see the tooltip. Here you can see the tooltip has been added. Now you can see title. Go to the W3Schools HTML section. If we change it, welcome to our channel, Aftab Soomro. Now we will run it and we'll see or check the tooltip has been changed. More on absolute URLs and relative URLs. Use a full URL to link to a web page. Now we can link the full URL. Suppose go to the w3schools.com. After that move to the HTML folder, and there is a default.asp page. Locate that page after clicking this link. This is the absolute URL and relative URLs. Full URL example, link to a page located in the HTML folder. As I told you, this default.asp is located in the HTML folder. For that purpose, we have to give first of all / and the folder name, and then / after that the file name. Another example, link to a page located in the same folder as the current page. If the file is located in the same folder, we don't need to locate any folder. You can read more about the file paths in the chapter File Paths HTML. Chapter summary. What we have learned today, we will see it. Use the A element to define a link. Whenever we will use this A element or tag, it means we are defining a link. Href attribute will define a link address. Target attribute is used to define where to open the linked img element inside A to use an image as a link. Mail to scheme inside the href attribute will create a link that will open the user's email program. Okay, so HTML link tags, so simple. Tag name, description. So friends, this was the brief video about the HTML links which I tried to teach you. You may have understood well, but the practice is must. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.